The Manipur Kaithal Pambi Apunba Loop accused Assam Rifles of backing Kuki militants, attributing the state's ongoing 15-month turmoil to this alleged support. Oinam Belashni, president of the organization, voiced these concerns during a press conference held at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club. She lamented that internally displaced persons across the state continue to suffer pain, sorrow and trauma in various relief camps. Despite government assertions of peace restoration, Belashni emphasized the displaced people's apprehension about returning home. She urged the government to acknowledge the ongoing suffering and the absence of peace in the state. Belashni criticized Assam Rifles for escalating violence rather than fostering peace. She argued that Assam Rifles' presence in Manipur serves no purpose and called on the Manipur government to remove them from the state.
Lekong kang mami amagi u kang magi pandang gum nang dik lai de masa masa na society to bagi matam yore a machida Manipur government gi mai kai degi lenga puri ba kamu degi aya ma matam da shanti gi khongbam tam matam na phare hai ba artha se aram ro poisamni masi makha ta ba da to bi ra kanu nungai ba saktam apha batam na hanjale haraga di Manipur da lai ba ni kem da awana khangi ba miui kaya se masa gi maran matum punsi gi ta laga mang ta ho ra ba masa musu kai ne ba Mia Machina Mayunda Harao Hadar Magamado, Adobu Ingata Kawi, Atai di Darkanike, Housing Manipur Gormena, Baja Miangi Mati, Putiki Kola was here, Tabiu, Munana, Nebu, Tamakari Malunda, Machina Kayuma, Tabi Tana, Nubi Kaki Kola, Kantopi Matarabadi, Manipuri Mayapi Horakani.